Welcome to a journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Slovenia. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Slovenia is a gem of unspoiled beauty and diverse landscapes waiting to be discovered. Imagine a place where the majesty of the Alps meets the serenity of the Mediterranean, where the Pannonian plains merge with the mysterious karst, and where urban life thrives amidst verdant forests. Picture a country that boasts alpine peaks, where you can hear the whispers of the wind through the pines, and within a short drive, you're basking under the Mediterranean sun, feeling the warmth on your skin and the gentle sea breeze in your hair. Or perhaps you're wandering through a lush forest, the ground beneath you carpeted with a riot of wildflowers, or you're exploring the depths of a subterranean cave, marveling at nature's artistry. This is Slovenia, where every corner, every vista tells a story. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty of Slovenia's best scenic areas. First stop, the enchanting Lake Bled, a true alpine gem. Nestled in the Julian Alps' heart, this stunning lake is a shimmering canvas of emerald green, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. It's like stepping into a postcard, where every view is a captivating blend of tranquility and grandeur. Imagine a lake, so beautifully green you'd think it was painted by the hands of Mother Nature herself. A calm surface mirroring the sky, occasionally disturbed by the gentle glide of a traditional wooden pletna boat. As you look closer, a small island emerges from the lake's heart, like a gem set on a velvet cushion. This is Bled Island, a quaint island that houses a charming church, contributing to the lake's magical atmosphere. And there, perched on a rocky cliff, is Bled Castle, a medieval fortress that has stood guard over the lake for more than 1,000 years. The castle's terracotta roofs and stone walls, clinging to the cliff's edge, create a striking contrast against the lush greenery surrounding it. It's as if time has stopped, preserving a slice of history amidst the ever-changing landscape. The lake's perimeter is a vibrant tapestry of verdant forests and meadows dotted with traditional Slovenian homes. Their quaint architecture with sloping roofs and wooden balconies adds to the area's rustic charm. It's a scene straight out of a fairy tale where one can almost expect to see mythical creatures peeking from behind the trees. And as the day ends, the setting sun casts a golden glow over the lake, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. The castle's silhouette against the twilight sky, the gentle lapping of the lake against the shore, the distant toll of the church bell from Bled Island, all create a symphony of serenity. This is Lake Bled, where every glance is a brush with awe-inspiring beauty, where every moment is a memory in the making, a place that captures the essence of Slovenia's scenic splendor in its every nook and cranny. If there ever was an alpine fairy tale brought to life, it would be this. Lake Bled, an alpine fairy tale brought to life. Now let's move to the Slovenian coast and the charming town of Piran. Nestled on the tip of a narrow peninsula is Piran, a delightful gem that radiates Mediterranean charm. This coastal town is a captivating blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. A stroll through Piran transports you back in time, with its Venetian-style architecture acting as a living testament to the town's rich past. Each building, each facade, tells a story, with the Venetian Gothic style leaving an indelible mark on the town's identity. The terracotta rooftops juxtaposed against the azure Adriatic Sea create a picturesque panorama that is truly a feast for the eyes. At the heart of Piran, you will find Tartini Square, named after the famous violinist and composer Giuseppe Tartini. This is the town's main meeting point, surrounded by beautifully adorned buildings that reflect centuries of architectural evolution. Wandering through the labyrinth of narrow, winding streets, you will discover quaint boutiques, charming cafes, and captivating glimpses of local life. The streets here have a rhythm of their own, pulsating with a vibrant energy that is infectious. One of the town's highlights is the Church of St. George, perched high on a hill, offering breathtaking views of the town and the vast expanse of the Adriatic Sea. The sight of the sun setting over the sea, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, is a spectacle that leaves an indelible impression. But Piran is more than just stunning vistas and historical architecture. It is a sensory delight. From the taste of fresh seafood caught in the Adriatic, to the scent of the sea carried on the breeze, to the sound of the waves gently lapping against the shore. This Mediterranean charm that Piran exudes is not just seen, it is felt. It is an experience that stays with you long after you have left its shores. As you explore and immerse yourself in this enchanting town, you realize that Piran is not just a place, it is a feeling. Piran, a slice of Mediterranean paradise in Slovenia. Our journey continues in Ljubljana, Slovenia's green capital. This city is a captivating blend of styles, where each corner tells a different story. From the medieval Old Town with its charming cobblestone streets and quaint buildings, to the Art Nouveau and Vienna Secession styles that add an air of sophistication, Ljubljana is an architectural delight. The city is crisscrossed by the emerald-green Ljubljanica River, a vibrant waterway that's a favorite hangout for locals and visitors alike. Riverbanks lined with cafes and bars offer the perfect setting for an afternoon coffee or an evening drink. The river also serves as a beautiful backdrop to many of the city's historical sites, including the iconic Triple Bridge and the Dragon Bridge, symbols of Ljubljana's rich past. But what really sets Ljubljana apart is its commitment to green living. It was named the European Green Capital in 2016, and it's easy to see why. The city center is largely car-free, making it a haven for pedestrians and cyclists. Parks and green spaces are plentiful, allowing nature to thrive amidst the urban landscape. One of the city's most beloved green spaces is Tivoli Park, a sprawling oasis that's perfect for picnics, leisurely strolls, or simply relaxing on a sunny day. And then there's Ljubljana Castle, a medieval fortress that towers over the city from a hilltop, surrounded by lush, green woods. The street life in Ljubljana is nothing short of vibrant. From the bustling central market where you can taste local produce, to the lively arts scene featuring galleries, theaters, and music venues, there's always something happening in this dynamic city. Ljubljana is a city that respects its past while embracing a sustainable future. It's a place where medieval history meets modern sensibilities, where the hustle and bustle of city life is balanced with a love for nature and green living. It's a city that invites you to slow down, to savor the moment, and to immerse yourself in its unique blend of history, culture, and nature. Ljubljana, a capital where history and green living coexist. Let's delve into the underground marvel of Postojna Cave. A subterranean wonderland awaits us in the heart of Slovenia, a place where nature's artistry truly shines. The Postojna Cave. As you step into this otherworldly realm, you'll be greeted by an orchestra of stalactites and stalagmites, each playing their part in this symphony of stone. These massive formations have been slowly crafted over millions of years, drop by drop, creating an awe-inspiring display of natural architecture. The cave's stalagmites rise from the ground like ancient stone sentinels, while stalactites hang from the cave's ceiling, resembling icicles frozen in time. These stone giants intertwine in places, forming grand pillars that bear the weight of centuries. But amidst this stillness, there's a sense of life, a sense of evolution, for this cave is ever-changing, ever-growing, sculpted by the unyielding hands of time. Yet the cave isn't just a spectacle of stone. It's a sanctuary to a unique creature that calls this dark abyss home. The Olm, or as locals affectionately call it, the human fish. This blind amphibian has adapted to the cave's challenging environment, embodying the resilience and adaptability of life itself. Seeing this creature in its natural habitat offers a fascinating glimpse into the mysteries of evolution and survival. And the most thrilling part? It's the journey deeper into the cave. An electric train whisks you into the depths of this underground wonder, a ride that feels like an expedition to the Earth's core. As the train winds through the labyrinth of limestone tunnels, you'll be captivated by the grandeur of the cave's chambers, each with its own unique character, each telling its own timeless tale. Postojna Cave is more than just a tourist attraction, it's a testament to the power of nature and time, a place where you can witness the magic of geology in action, and experience the thrill of exploration. It's an adventure that leaves you with a deeper appreciation for our planet's hidden wonders. Postojna Cave, a journey to the center of the Earth. Slovenia, a small country with diverse and breathtaking scenery. Our journey has taken us from the alpine beauty of Lake Bled, with its emerald waters and medieval castle, to the Mediterranean charm of Piran, a town that exudes Venetian elegance. We've strolled through the green, vibrant capital, Ljubljana, with its captivating mix of cultures and history, and we've dared to venture into the subterranean marvel of Postojna Cave, a wonderland of stalactites and stalagmites. These are but a few glimpses of Slovenia's scenic splendor, but Europe is a vast continent, brimming with natural wonders and historic sites, and our journey is far from over. So we ask you, our fellow explorers, where should our next adventure lead us? Perhaps the fjords of Norway, the castles of Scotland, or the vineyards of France? Please like and subscribe to our channel to discover more scenic wonders. Which part of Europe should we visit next? Let us know in the comments below.